Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're watching this in 2025, you're in the right place to tackle your TransUnion credit score issues. A low credit score can feel like a roadblock to loans, apartments, or even jobs, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through simple, effective steps to fix it. Let's dive in. First things first, start by getting a free copy of your TransUnion credit report. In 2025, it's easier than ever with the updated online portals. Head to the official TransUnion website or use apps that allow annual free reports. Once you have it, review it carefully for any errors, like incorrect late payments or accounts that aren't yours. If you spot mistakes, dispute them immediately. You can do this online through TransUnion's dispute portal, and they have to investigate within 30 days under the latest regulations. Next, focus on your payment history. This is the biggest factor in your score, so make sure you're paying all bills on time. Set up automatic payments or reminders to avoid slip-ups. Now, let's talk about debt. High balances can drag your score down, so aim to pay down your credit card debt. Try the snowball method. Start with the smallest debts to build momentum, or the avalanche method for higher interest ones. In 2025, new tools like AI-powered debt trackers can help you stay on top of this. Building positive credit is key too. If you're starting from scratch, consider a secured credit card, which requires a deposit but reports to TransUnion as regular activity. Use it responsibly. Keep balances low and pay in full each month. Also, keep an eye on utilization rates. Aim to use less than 30% of your available credit. Finally, monitor your progress regularly. With 2025's enhanced apps, you can get real-time updates. Remember, fixing your credit takes time, so be patient and consistent. If things are overwhelming, consider consulting a credit counselor. They're more accessible now with virtual options. There you have it, folks, a straightforward plan to boost your TransUnion credit score. Implement these steps, and you'll see improvements soon. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.